Hey, what's up fellas? It's your boy Gaz coming at you again with another Menlo Club unboxing. And for today's video, it is a collaboration with my good friend Pabs over from the Stay Well Fitted from Instagram. He used to do a lot of videos a while back, but he stopped doing it because he was more focused on his Instagram, but he's ready to come back into the YouTube game. And he's also doing an unboxing on his channel, so I have a link in the description so you can go check it out. So with that being said, let's get into this month's package of May, and I can't wait to see what I got because, well, usually they do tell you where you're gonna get, so I went with the casual because I really wanted to get those white shorts. Hopefully I get them because you never know if you are gonna get what they tell you you're gonna get, but we'll see what's up. All right. Here we go. What? I see some green shorts or a shirt. Let's get this out of the way. Here it is. So most of you guys know it always comes with this special wrapping, black paper wrapping, invoice. So yes, we have a white button-down shirt, which I don't mind because I only have one. And ooh, it looks like there's something inside. A cool casual belt. Ooh, this is gonna be fun with the belt. All right, so here it is, a nice white button down from 5'4". 5'4" is still a brand from their clothing, and the Menlo Club is I guess their website or something. Okay, so here it is, the shorts. Wow, I don't know about these shorts. I never wore this kind of color, but I'll see what I could do, because it is like I mentioned, it is a collaboration with my friend Pat. So we decided to give you 3 ways to rock out this clothes that we were gonna get this month. So now I have to find a way to pull it up. All right, so here we go. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it. If you like everything I was wearing, it's all from the Menlo Club. This is all clothes that I have received from my previous package. And if you want to get your first package for $20, I have a link in the description down below. Go ahead and check that out. Also, if you like these cool sneakers I was wearing, I actually got it from my last month's package, and ever since I can't stop wearing them. And if you're a member, you go actually save 25% on this cool sneaker, so you pretty much get them for like 60 bucks. That's a good deal. So this was supposed to be a collaboration with the homie Pabs over from Stay Well Fitted, but something happened to his order. I think they got it wrong. I told him not to worry about it because the Menlo Club has good customer service, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna hook him up or probably tell him to keep that clothes he got. And hopefully next month I'll do a collaboration with him, because I was planning of doing 3 outfits, like my style with this video, and 3 of his style, and see, you know, something for you guys to see. And I guess they couldn't happen, so hopefully next month we get that done. But anyways guys, this is pretty much it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. and hit that like button. And like always, it's your boy Gabs.